Have you ever found yourself in a debt trap, feeling like you're sinking deeper and deeper with no way out? Imagine being stuck in financial quicksand, where every struggle to get out only pulls you in deeper. That's what a debt trap feels like. Let's take a moment to understand this better. A debt trap is a situation where a person is forced to take on more debt to pay off existing ones, creating a vicious cycle of endless borrowing. It's like being on a hamster wheel, constantly running but never really getting anywhere. Common examples of these traps are payday loans, credit card debt, and high-interest loans. Payday loans may seem like a quick fix, but they often come with exorbitant interest rates. Credit card debt, with its high interest and hidden charges, can sneak up on you. And high-interest loans, they're like financial black holes, sucking up your funds faster than you can replenish them. Understanding these debt traps is the first step towards avoiding them. Meet John Doe, a hard-working individual who found himself caught in a whirlwind of debt traps. John, like many of us, was just trying to make ends meet. When an unexpected expense hit, he turned to a payday loan, thinking it was a quick and easy solution. But it wasn't long before John found himself in a cycle of borrowing to pay off his previous loan, and the high interest rates were a bitter pill to swallow. Before he knew it, John was ensnared in a web of credit card debts, each one promising a temporary relief only to drag him deeper into the quagmire of financial instability. High-interest loans seemed to be a lifeline, but they only tightened the debt trap around him. John's life became a stressful juggling act, constantly trying to keep up with mounting repayments. John's story is not uncommon, but it doesn't have to be your story. So, how can you avoid falling into the same traps as John Doe? The answer lies in practical, proactive strategies. Firstly, budgeting is your best friend. Keep track of your income and expenses. Know where your money is going and make sure you're living within your means. Secondly, make saving a regular habit. Even a small amount set aside each month can add up over time and provide a safety net in case of unexpected expenses. Understanding the terms of any loan you take out is crucial. Don't sign anything without reading the fine print and fully understanding the terms and conditions. Lastly, don't shy away from seeking financial advice. There are many resources available, both online and offline, that can help you navigate the financial world. Financial literacy is not just about knowing how to balance a checkbook, it's about understanding how money works and making it work for you. Remember, knowledge is power. The more informed you are, the less likely you are to fall into a debt trap. Scene script. Ready to take control of your financial future? Financial health isn't just about having money in the bank. It's about understanding how to avoid the quicksand of debt traps that can pull you under before you even realize you're sinking. It's about knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt and making smart decisions that keep you on solid ground. Empower yourself with financial literacy. Learn how to budget, understand the concept of interest rates and the implications of borrowing. Be proactive, create a savings plan and stick to it. Don't just save for a rainy day, save for a bright and sunny future. Remember, every small step you take towards financial freedom today will pay off tomorrow. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but the consistent and mindful choices you make every day. You have the power to avoid debt traps and take control of your financial future. Start today. Did you enjoy the video? If this information helped you gain a clearer understanding of debt traps and how to avoid them, please give this video a like. Your support helps us keep creating content like this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial advice. We aim to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your financial future. Remember, your financial freedom starts with you. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to navigate the financial world with confidence. Stay tuned for our next video, and together, let's build a brighter and financially secure future.